The first thing to do is sign up on Shopee. Click ShopeePay. Click Set up ShopeePay wallet. Then the OTP is sent to your mobile number. Fill out this personal information form. Tick the box and click Confirm. Alright, so done activating the ShopeePay wallet. Now it's time to claim the freebie of Shopee for new users. Click Free Gifts. So here are the choices. Tick the box, then click Checkout. I also tried claiming the free delivery coupon, but it's not applicable. Put your name and address for the shipment details. You can also click Use My Current Location button, then click Confirm. Lastly, click Place Order. The 95 pesos here is the delivery fee. So finally, the item is already here. Salamat Shopee! It's working perfectly. Again, salamat Shopee! And to you who's watching, watching. Maraming